Now let us discuss about types of viruses. Viruses can be categorized based on various criteria. So based on whether the virus depends on the host, what type of host they infect. So based on the host they infect, viruses can be categorized into plant viruses, animal viruses, bacteriophages, phytophages, macrophages, cyanophages, etc. So plant viruses are those viruses which infect or which depend on the plant cells as their host. Okay? Plant cells as their host. Animal viruses are those viruses which depend on animal cells as their host or which infects the animal cells. Bacteriophages are those viruses which infects the bacterial cells. Phytophages are those viruses which infect algal cells. They are also known as algal viruses. Algal viruses. Macrophages are those which infect the fungi. They are known as fungal viruses. Fungal viruses. And cyanophages are those that infect cyanobacteria. They are called as cyanophages. Animal viruses, plant viruses, bacterial viruses, algal viruses known as phytophages, fungal viruses known as macrophages, and cyanobacteria or blue-green algal viruses known as cyanophages. Okay? So these are the types of viruses based on the host they infect. And we have already noted down the various types of viruses based on the genetic material that is present in them. Okay? So we have noted down the different types of genetic material, and based on the genetic material, what are the different types of viruses. So based on genetic material, viruses are categorized into single-stranded RNA viruses, single-stranded DNA viruses, double-stranded RNA viruses, double-stranded DNA viruses. So based on the genetic material, viruses also can be categorized. Okay. So now let us discuss about some of the viral diseases. You know that viruses are known to cause various types of diseases in various organisms because they infect the host cells. Okay. So some of the viral diseases are plant viral diseases, human viral diseases or animal viral diseases. Examples for plant viral diseases: tobacco mosaic disease, papaya leaf curl disease, bindi yellow veined disease, banana bunchy top disease. Okay. So here in the plant diseases or plant viral diseases, various types of symptoms are seen in the host which are infected by viruses. Okay. In some of the disease like tobacco mosaic, there is mosaic pattern formed in the leaves or mosaic pattern formed on leaves or various parts of the plant. Okay. So some of the symptoms of, note down some of the symptoms of plant viral diseases: mosaic formation in plant parts like leaves. Then there will be curling of leaves in certain viral disease, curling of leaves or folding of leaves, curling or folding of leaves. In certain diseases there will be yellowing of leaves, yellowing and vein clearing, yellowing and vein clearing of leaves. And in certain diseases there may be stunted growth or dwarf growth, stunted growth or dwarf growth, stunted growth or dwarf growth. So these are some of the symptoms that are seen when plants are affected by various types of viruses. Some of the human viral diseases. There are various kinds of human viral diseases. Some of those human viral diseases that are well known are chickenpox, smallpox, mumps, common cold, AIDS, herpes, influenza and many more. Okay. So now we are almost suffering from, or we are almost affected in all the ways from the pandemic that is going on now, mainly because of a kind of virus that is known as coronavirus, right? A kind of virus known as coronavirus which causes COVID-19. Coronavirus which causes coronavirus disease which is named as COVID-19, which mainly affects the respiratory system of humans. So this is also an example for human viral disease. So various kinds of diseases are found even in humans. So these are some of the viral diseases that I have mentioned here. And viruses are also cause diseases in animals, especially in cattle or in sheep, goat and some of the birds. Okay, it may be domesticated birds or even the wild forms or wildlife or wild animals also. So some of the animal viral diseases are foot and mouth disease, which is mainly seen in cattle, in sheep, goat, cow, etc. And bird flu, or which is also known as avian flu. Bird flu or avian flu, which causes disease in various kinds of birds. Okay. So these are some of the diseases caused by viruses. So we have noted down the characteristic features of viruses and why viruses cannot be included under living or non-living, why they have kept it as separate living entities, and we have noted down what are those characteristic features of living organisms that are found in viruses, what are the characteristic features of non-living things that are found in viruses, and we have discussed in detail about the discovery of viruses and about the components of viruses, and we have also noted down the types of viruses and various viral diseases. So next we have to discuss about viroids and prions.